Are you looking to transfer to a better company in Korea with your E7-4 visa? But are you feeling overwhelmed by the complicated procedures and strict requirements? If you watch this video, you'll learn all the essential information and conditions to successfully change your workplace. Make sure to watch until the end. Hello! Today's video is specifically designed for foreign workers holding an E7-4 visa in Korea. What steps do you need to follow to transfer to a new company, and how can you prepare to ensure success? In this video, I'll walk you through every step of the workplace transfer process. If you're planning a job change, this video will be incredibly helpful. From the conditions you need to meet to key precautions, I'll cover it all, so stay with me until the end. First, if you're considering transferring to a new workplace, never quit your current job before finalizing a new one. Leaving your current company without securing a new job can lead to serious problems. Not only could it make your transfer more difficult, but it may also jeopardize your visa status. Always ensure that your new job is confirmed and get a transfer agreement from your current employer. This is the most fundamental and important rule when initiating a workplace transfer. To transfer your workplace, you must meet certain conditions. First, the industry of your current company determines the industries where you are eligible to transfer. For instance, if you work in manufacturing, your new company must also be in manufacturing. Similarly, if you work in agriculture, your new job must also be within the agricultural sector. Second, the new company must already employ E9 visa workers. Additionally, the number of E7-4 visa workers must fall within 30% of the total number of Korean employees, or up to 50% if the company is in the agricultural sector or a certified route industry. Make sure you meet these conditions, as failing to do so could result in your transfer request being denied. Next, let's discuss 5 common cases where workplace transfers are allowed. Check if your situation fits any of these cases. The first is health issues caused by poor working conditions. If your work environment is harming your health, you can submit a medical certificate from a hospital. The key is to prove that your working conditions are affecting your health. The second is financial instability in your company. If your company is experiencing severe financial difficulties, you may be eligible for a transfer. However, gathering the necessary documents to prove this can be challenging, making this option somewhat difficult to pursue. The third is if your company suspends operations or shuts down. In such cases, you'll need official documentation, such as a closure confirmation letter, to support your application. The fourth is unpaid wages. If your employer has failed to pay wages for 3 months or more, report this to the labor office and submit the receipt of your complaint. Don't worry, you can still claim unpaid wages even after you've transferred to a new job. The fifth is cases of abuse, including physical violence or verbal harassment. If you experience physical violence, get a medical certificate from a hospital. For verbal harassment, record the incidents and submit transcripts as evidence. Make sure the recordings include your voice to ensure they are considered valid. Supporting documents are the most critical aspect of a successful workplace transfer. Even if your reasons for transferring are valid, your application may be denied if you lack sufficient evidence. Prepare your documents thoroughly. For health issues, obtain a medical certificate. For unpaid wages, secure the labor office receipt. For abuse, ensure you have medical reports or recorded evidence. Double-check all documents before submission to the immigration office. So far, we've covered everything you need to know about transferring your workplace. To summarize, never resign before securing a new job. Verify that your new employer meets the necessary conditions, and prepare all required documents carefully. Workplace transfers are often approved when the worker is not at fault. However, incomplete documentation can make approval difficult, so pay close attention to these details. Did you find today's information helpful? A successful workplace transfer requires careful attention to the conditions and thorough preparation. If you have additional questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll continue to share valuable content with you in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.